guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing another fall decor shop with me. I'm super excited because it is pretty much almost fall time, and so I have been wanting to go like full on hardcore decor shopping for a while, and today is finally the day. My goal is to get all of my decor shopping done, and so we're going into two stores, HomeGoods and also TJ Maxx. That is where I primarily do all of my decor shopping. So we're about to go inside, see what they have, and hopefully find some good stuff. About to get out my car. I'm meeting up with Taylor, who is sitting out there waiting for me. So I'm about to go inside and show you guys what all both stores have to offer. First stop is HomeGoods. Let's see what's inside. I love this pillow, you guys. Pumpkin spice is my life. The colors, like the rose gold, so cute. And this one here, count your blessings, so cute. Have an orange plaid pillow down here, cute. Let's see, I need a couple of either like mustard yellow or orange pillows. Oh, that one's really pretty. This one's really pretty. I like the colors in this one. Okay, let's keep looking. Metallics. It's so pretty. I love it, you guys. And it's only $24 or $25. I might get this. Ugh. Yeah, for a set of two, that's not bad at all. Yeah, this one is pretty. How much is it? 30 for one? But the texture though is what's making it so expensive. So I just found this pillow here. It says "Gather Together with Love." And I'm almost positive I'm gonna get this. It is, let's see, $17. You guys can see that up close. But pairing this pillow with these pillows here, I'm pretty sure this will be my color scheme. Think this could be it. Think this could be it. I love it with this little pale pink. Okay, I'm falling in love. All right, let's move on. These pumpkins are so cute, you guys. All the crystals on them. Do you guys see that? How much is this? Only $10. Trick or drink. think we found a winner. I was looking for like a really big pumpkin, but you guys, look. It matches with my color scheme. I could put this light by my fireplace. I like it. Love this. Love this. So pretty. And it's only $13. I might get this. This is crazy. This is your front door. It'd be cute. Aren't these so cute? This is it. This is so cute. And it has the bowls.
No painting involved.
And I think it matches like our theme a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yay! Taylor just found these. So I'm definitely getting these. Cute little hints of fall. And then I'm not sure if I want to get this pumpkin with the lace detail or if I should get this pumpkin with the rose detail. Can I see that? Which one's cuter? I feel like, I don't know. I love both of them. You know what I love most about this is that there is cinnamon pieces in here that makes it smell. Yes. Smells like fall. Oh my god, such a cute idea. Such a cute idea. And the marble detail, I like. This is a little sneak peek of everything I got. I'll show you guys in a separate haul of what I got from both stores, but I'm excited. I feel like I have a theme now, so I feel like this will be easy now that I have a theme. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out, and we'll talk to you guys at TJ Maxx. I like the gold detail, and I love how it has the mixture of red and orange. If you want some good kitchen towels, I highly recommend either HomeGoods or TJ Maxx because they always have affordable kitchen towels. Candles, favorite section. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a cookie. It smells so good.
It smells like you can eat it.
Yeah.
Ooh, very spicy. It almost has a sweet scent to it,
yeah.
a sweet undertone.
This is like more manly, you know? It's not like super, you know, the typical girly candle. It's like spicy but then sweet at the same time. This is good. How much is this? $13 too. Do y'all see how big these are? My goodness. These are huge.
Ooh, cute.
Pumpkin spice. Everything nice. I love that. I almost like these better than the other ones I got because it has the black. So it could tie in the black from like my little picture frames. I think that could see, this is why I have to buy a lot and then like take stuff back. I like this one. I like this one. And I kind of love this one too. It says home where our story begins. So I guess it's like a floral slash pumpkin arrangement. It's interesting. I could play with this all day. These are so much fun to play with. Alright you guys, so I am done shopping at TJ Maxx. It was fun. I got way more stuff at HomeGoods, but I knew I would. So got a couple of more items here, and like I said earlier, I will show you guys in a fall decor haul, so stay tuned for that. But that wraps up today's shop with me video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.